Hi there, everybody. This is the explanation for the fourth math problem up in the math calculator section of my website's short SAT diagnostic test. Let's take a look at this one. All righty. Oh, look what we got. You know what this is called? What do we got? This, ladies and gentlemen, is a scatter plot diagram. That's where there's a bunch of data and it's all scattered around. Now, a lot of times you would have a line, which is called the line of best fit, which approximates the general trend of all the scattered data. But guess what? We don't have that here. I'm considering that a good thing. Less is more on the SAT, in my opinion. Let's read and see what they want us to do with the scatter plot diagram. But I'll tell you what I'll do before I get into this is, why don't I just check out the graph and see what it all means. So the y-axis says posts made per day. Okay, I don't know what that means. And this says logins per day. Any logins? No, it's the number of logins per day. So I've got logins per day and posts made per day and various data. It's very simple. Don't quite know what it all means, so we haven't read anything. Let's get to it. Given the scatter plot graph above, 10 students at Welton Academy were polled at random about their usage of the school's new physics-centered social media app, E equals MC shared. Do you get it? E equals MC shared. You ever heard of Albert Einstein? Well, that's an Einstein joke. The app was developed to encourage students to discuss physics curricula and concepts in ways that mirrored social media trends in 2013. This is what I can tell you, is that most of all that is gobbledygook. It's gobbledygook. It's all background information that's really not going to play into this. So just know that. You got to pay attention and focus in on it, but I don't think it's going to come into play. What more does it say? Students were asked how many times they logged in. Now that seems pertinent to the app each day, as well as how many posts they actually made using the app. With the given data, what conclusions can be drawn about this group of students? Well, the best thing to do is let's just go answer by answer and see what holds true. A says, the majority of students polled logged in more times per day than they posted. Well, let's just check out some data. Let's look at this first point. They logged in about 5 times and posted about 5 times. Is that logged in more? No, but it says the majority of students. Let's check a couple more. This student logged in 6 and posted 4. That is logging in more. This student logged in 7, posted 4. That is logging in more than posts. This one went about 8 and 3, logging in more than posts. This one went about 9 and 4, logging in more than posts. How about this one? 11 and 6. Yes, all of these, except for this outlier, this crazy poster right here, right? But most of these logged in much more than they post. A already holds true. I'm going to check it. I'm liking that. Let me just eyeball a couple of the others, but I'm almost convinced that we could just bubble A and move on. Let's see. B says the majority of students polled posted more times per day than they logged in. Well, we just went through it and that's not the case. So B is gone. We know that they logged in more than they posted, the majority. C says the majority of students polled logged in and posted an equal number of times. Well, we just again went through it. That's not the case. And D says no relationship can be drawn between logins per day and posts per day. Well, the relationship in A makes sense. A is true. So I'm going to go with A because A is true. Why would I ever go against the truth? I'm not going to go against the truth. The answer I'm going to say is A, and the answer is A. So that wasn't so bad, right? All righty, there's that one. 5 and 6 coming up. If you got questions about 5 and 6, I'll see you there. Bye-bye.